In the small village of Thornfield, nestled between dense forests and brooding hills, stood the ancient church of St. Aldwyn's. Known for its soaring spire and the haunting chimes of its bell, the church held a dark secret tied closely to the deadly sin of wrath. It was said that St. Aldwyn's was built on the ground where two brothers, Aldrich and Baylor, had met a tragic fate through mutual wrath. Legend told of their fierce rivalry that turned violent one stormy night, each brother believing himself wronged by the other. As they fought beneath the old elm that would one day be overshadowed by the church's spire, lightning struck the tree, instantly killing them both. Their final breaths were curses of revenge and fury. The villagers, shaken by this grim event, constructed a church on the site, hoping to consecrate the ground and quell the restless spirits. The church's bell, named the Peacemaker, was supposed to symbolize reconciliation, but its chimes carried an eerie undertone, echoing Romans 12:19, "Vengeance is mine, I will repay, saith the Lord." Centuries passed, and the church grew in legend. It was whispered that during the hour of the brother's death, if one listened closely, the bell would sound of its own accord, ringing 13 times in a deep, mournful toll. Those who heard the 13th chime were said to be cursed by the brothers' wrathful spirits. One fateful night, a disbeliever named Thomas ventured into the church at the dreaded hour, mocking the ancient curse. As the bell tolled its ghostly chimes, a chill wind swept through the nave, and the air thickened with the palpable intensity of long-held anger. As the 13th chime rang out, Thomas's heart was gripped with a fierce and sudden rage, his mind clouded with visions of perceived slights and injustices. His wrath spiraled uncontrollably, leading him to commit acts that horrified the villagers. It was as if the curse had not only revived the brothers' anger, but magnified it through it. Fulfilling Ephesians 4:31, "Let all bitterness and wrath and anger and clamor and slander be put away from you, along with all malice." The aftermath was devastating. Thornfield was left to reckon with the consequences of unchecked wrath, and Thomas, broken by his actions, sought redemption through penance and prayer, finding solace in the words of James 1:19-20, "Let every man be swift to hear, slow to speak, slow to wrath, for the wrath of man worketh not the righteousness of God." In the years that followed, the villagers transformed St. Aldwyn's into a sanctuary for those seeking to overcome their anger. Workshops on reconciliation and sermons on forgiveness became the new rituals of the church. The tale of Thomas and the brothers served as a somber reminder of wrath's destructive power and the importance of temperance. The chimes of St. Aldwyn still ring through Thornfield, no longer just a call to prayer but a call to peace. They remind the villagers that wrath, while a natural emotion, can lead to ruin if left unchecked. Through understanding and vigilance, the community of Thornfield learned to channel their anger into constructive dialogue and reconciliation, embodying a commitment to heal wounds rather than deepen them. The story of St. Aldwyn serves as a chilling but hopeful reminder of the power of forgiveness and the perils of wrath, a narrative echoing through the ages as a warning and a guide.